we are coming to the special material types. Special material types means if I'm going to, we have a process called pipeline process. In pipeline process, if we are going to select this option called pipeline mandatory, then if I'm going to make it as save, then what happens? Whatever it may be, you are going to create a material under this material type. Those materials will allow to create a pipeline process only. Those materials you can use for pipeline process only. It will not allow to other processes. Okay, it will specific to particular process only.
Sorry, what is pipeline?
Sorry, pipeline means we have a pipeline process means suppose like gas material, gas or some water means purchasing, oil is purchasing. Okay, through pipeline, through pipe only vendor will send those material to the company.
Okay.
Right? So those things, those processes we are going to capture in this. Actually, in materials management, we have a process in pipeline process called. Okay, that time we will get to understand what is the pipeline process called. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So just make it safe. We are coming to this user department. What is user department? So when you are creating a material, go to select views. So many views you can observe: basic data, classification, sales, purchasing, all different type of views you can observe it. But suppose you got some requirement from the business, then the business is telling to you we should not get this sales views while creation of material master for specific to this material type. So what you can do, come to this configuration, material type configuration, just come down little bit. Just deselect this sales option over here and make it save. Okay, then what you can do, just refresh the transaction code. And just click select views. The sales views is not appearing right now. So whatever it may be, what views you want to create a material or what views you don't want to you don't want to use it, those all things you can control from this user department. Okay. When we are coming to this internal and external purchase order, external purchase order means what is the meaning called? Just go to this search field and look this. External purchase order means for which purchase order we are creating and we are sending to the vendor. That is called external purchase order. So if we have an option called to, then system will not allow to create a material purchase order with specifying to material which you have created to this specific material type. If the option is 2, system will not allow for the purchasing documents. If the option is 1, then system will allow to create a purchase order, but it will show as a warning message. Okay. Then if option is 0, then what is the no external purchase order is allowed. Okay. System then no external purchase order allowed. If the 1, then purchase order is allowed. Okay. Then it depends. Suppose we have created a material type. That material type is a scrap material type. Okay, whatever it may be, you are going to create a material, scrap materials into that. And what happens? It should be the business will tell you these materials should not allow to create a purchasing document. Then you have to specify as a 0. Okay, like this only. What is internal purchase order? Internal purchase order means, hold on a second. Internal purchase order means like stock transfer order. Which stock transfer order we are creating from plant to plant, from company to company, those are those documents called as an internal purchase order. So you have to specify it should be allowed or should not be allowed, whatever it may be. As per the requirement, you have to make the configuration. Okay. So when we are coming to this classification tab, we will understand when we are going to run this batch management process. Batch management process. In this batch management process, we will use this classification views, classification tab. It will get understand easily, right, at that time. Price control indicator. Price control indicator, we are having a 2 type of price control indicator. One is standard price and another one is moving average price. Okay. Another one is moving average price. One second. So what happened in this case? In this case, suppose you can use standard price. Standard price means it's a fixed price. Suppose, suppose you have a company and you are producing some materials. In that case, you can make as a fixed price. Moving average price means it is a fluctuated price which you are purchasing from the outside from the vendor. Okay, suppose you have purchased a material today is each material is equal to 10 rupees. So after some time or after few months back or a few months ago, it will definitely the price is maybe vary from the current price. Right? But it is a fluctuated price. For which material is a fluctuated price, you have to choose as a V is equal to moving average price unit. Okay. Moving average price is having a formula. What formula? Moving average price equal to V. Formula is total stock value by value divided by total stock quantity. Whatever it may be, you will get the final result that will be your material price. Okay, this is the formula. In moving average price, in the standard price, there is no formula. It's called S. Okay. Okay. Account category reference. Account category reference, which you have a process called valuation automatic account determination. This one, automatic account determination. So in this case, at this time of configuration and process, we can understand easily what is the configuration required and why we are using account category reference in this material type. So it will be very easy to understand it. Just now, I will tell you in overall what is account category reference. It is a normally link between valuation class and material type. Link between valuation class and material type. Okay. So one option, another option we have called price control mandatory. So what is price control mandatory? Right now is deselected. This option is deselected. Means unchecked. The checkbox has been unchecked. So what happened if I go to create? Suppose I went to accounting one type, organizational level. What is our plant? Plant is CG01. So you can observe price control indicator. Okay. This option is editable. You can change as per the requirement. It may be you can make it a V, you can make it a S, whatever it may be. But when I'm going to select this checkbox and make it as a save, then what happened? Look this. This field is not editable right now. Whatever it may be, that you have maintained the configuration, the price control indicator. This process, this indicator is not modifiable right now. That one should be fixed. Okay, this is called price control indicator mandatory.